es este. Lo voy a poner el jack. Para de esto. Para de este. Comenzando a hacer. No, todavía tiene muchas placas. Ya. Okay. And this is a 14mm, also a 14mm wrench. Just kind of want to hold it. First, you have to pull on the little tab over here. Pull that up, brings that down. Then you just sort of like snap these off, like just pull on them. These snap off. And this part is underneath this other part. You have to pull that off. And I'm not gonna take it off. I don't really want the hassle of taking it off. So it's plastic, just be careful, pull it back. You might need help, but there it is, the little black thing on the right. If you pull, you kind of reach in there, took off the little cover, and then you see the bolt, the nut there that you need to remove. So that's how you get to it. So I ended up taking this off, just kind of popping it off the top there, pulling this more off. Just get a better angle at that nut right there. So there's two nuts. One in the bottom, you got to use a 14 open end wrench, and then the top one, you have to take that one off. I was trying to hold on to the tip earlier, that didn't really work, so just figured out I got to hold that bottom nut and then spin off the top one. So I'll show you guys real quick. Okay, so there we go. Hold on to this. There we go. It's kind of like a jam nut. And then spin on again. Así se ve todo. It's just the boot. Okay. And then this is the old. Slow to return. Maybe not super bad, but not great. Got new one and the old one. Compare them. They're about the same. Add the boot. There. Tip is just go very slowly. Try not to have, I already have it pretty much as tight I think as it's gonna get. But I'm trying to turn it without having this thing turn as well. So we don't want that thing to turn either. So just try, but I think that's as tight as it's gonna get. Now we'll get the other bolt, the other jam nut, put it in there. I'm gonna put a little Loctite. A little bit of Loctite in there. There we go. That's just gonna prevent any vibrations or anything from loosening this up. And then we'll just keep turning it till we get to the bottom there. And we're gonna hold the bottom nut while we turn the top nut. And I'll do this, hold it there, and then we'll tighten the top nut. They're both 14s. I don't know the torque spec, but we don't want to make it super tight. I think, you know, making it somewhat tight, that's good enough. Good. And that's it. Yeah. So we just want some tension on there when we tighten it. We're gonna have to move over here. Get stuff done there. Good. Yep. Good job. No todo funciona, a veces como debe de ser.